Okay, so yesterday in Gatlinburg, our day was more for the kids, adventurous stuff inside the town. So we went to Anakista and then the aquarium, and then took them swimming at the hotel. Doubletree here in Gatlinburg has an awesome indoor swimming pool with slides, so the kids loved that. So today is more about nature. So we're in the national park today. Our first thing that we're gonna do here is drive the, what's it called? Cades Cove Loop. We've had a bunch of people tell us that that is a must. So we're gonna drive that first, and then we'll probably pull off and do at least one hike. We'll see how much the kids let us do. But so far this drive in here is just beautiful.
What do you want to say?
Say begin toys. Begin toys! A bear, and I got a bear, and a junior thing.
You sure did. Oh, don't open it yet.
And
we haven't paid for it.
bag.
Oh, and a passport, for your book. How's it going?
Ready? Push, push, push. Okay, now put it, no, one circle, that's not ours.
Or did he get it on there?
No.
Yeah,
That's okay. Here, let me help you get it perfectly in the center, okay? That way we can add it to our book. Okay, grab on. Okay, ready? Get it in the center. All right. Okay, perfect. All right, let sis do it. Here you go, sis.
My bear.
Okay, here's the ink.
Now I can look.
Yeah,
Push it, push it, push it. Good girl. Okay, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up.
For you, buddy.
All right, ready? Right here in the center. Try to make the circle. Okay, push hard. Good. All right, you got it.
Mom, that was real.
It was real. Or art.
Look at those. That's a yellow lady slipper. Look, that's a bug, Rudy.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Beaver. Woodchuck.
Snapping turtle. Look at that head on that turtle. So these are the turtles you don't want to see as a pet.
Oh,
Oh, birds.
yeah.
A cat.
Oh.
A bobcat.
That's a bobcat. You're exactly right.
I have one of those.
Excellent job.
I have one of those.
Yeah, it looks like a house cat, doesn't it? Just a little bigger. Show me what that is. It's pretty cool. This is inside
Here's bugs.
the visitor center. It's like a little museum of all the animals that they found here.
And plants and
Yeah.
everything.
Just wildlife.
Oh, look how cute that eye is.
Yeah.
Mommy, look how cute that is.
The owl.
Mom, lift me up.
Mama.
Mom, look how
Oh,
cute.
look at that pretty fire pink.
And look at the
Look
bugs.
at these little flowers.
Hey guys, look at the bugs.
Yeah.
Get you a Junior Ranger book. Okay, so we are going to the Grotto Falls trailhead. We had to
Yeah,
park on-
it's via like Trelum, via Trelum trailhead.
Yeah.
I think it's almost 3 miles.
Yep, so we're gonna do that. We had to park a little bit down, so you gotta walk up the hill, but it is absolutely beautiful out here.
Yeah, and it's a really perfect day. It's probably gonna get a little hot and humid, but it's not as hot as it has been, so
And the kids are already at it, or Arlo is at least. Everything's just out the park.
Oh God, look at him.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Come on.
About a half mile into this,
You can get
little man
boat for me.
wanted to be carried, and that's the only way we're gonna get all the way
And the boat for me.
to where we're going.
Boat for Bubba.
So for about the next 2.5 miles, kind of going back, we will have to carry him. So hopefully it's worth it. I think it is. Everybody on the trail is, it's pretty much said it's pretty awesome up here. So we are going to finish this out.
Do you think I can become a junior ranger and go to camp school?
You want to be a junior ranger?
And I can go to camp school.
Camp school?
I was thinking when we get back, I should look into that. For those couple weeks that we're by Hot Springs, maybe they have a little summer camp going on.
Maybe, sis.
We'll look into it, okay? Back.
So what happened, Rudy?
She made it 1.5 miles in,
Yep.
and she's freaking heavy. Guys, oh God. And this whole thing is uphill.
Yeah, so we'll end up having to carry him back, what, about 1.5 miles?
I don't know, elevation, it's not telling me. Oh yeah, it is. Our elevation gain, or no, our elevation right now is 3,585.
Nice. So
I'm not sure what we started at though.
So hiking with toddlers, I don't know y'all's experiences, but this is typical for our kids.
They make it about a mile, mile
Yeah,
and a
they
half.
can do about 1 mile, mile and a half. But we usually choose about 3 mile trails, so we know we're gonna have to carry them a little bit. And hopefully one day they'll just want to walk the whole thing.
From our car, which we're headed back to, we're already at 3.83 miles. So by the time we get back down there, we'll be about 4 miles. 2 hours and 10 minutes.
That was our longest ever.
The kids did so good. Even Arlo, he's on the back now, and he was on the back a little way up there, but Sissy is the real champ.
Hey, how was that?
Good.
How was the waterfall?
Good.
Was it beautiful?
Yeah.
Was it refreshing? Anyways, it was beautiful.
She did probably, I'd say, a little over 3 miles.
Did I already say what it was called?
Yeah.
Grotto Falls?
Yeah, I think she did a little over 3 miles by herself without being carried.
Like, we're so proud of her right now.
That was
She
amazing.
killed it.
So it's getting better progressively. So yeah, now we're going to go back into
Sweaty and gross.
go back into Gatlinburg and get some food and enjoy the rest of the night.